find the greater fraction. Okay, 6b, 3b, 6. Find the greater fraction. Find the greater fraction. Find the greater fraction. How we find the greater fraction? We make denominators equal. We make denominators equal, then we compare the numerator. We make denominators equal, then we compare the numerator. First 3 upon 5. First 3 upon 5 and 11 upon 15. 3 upon 5 and 11 upon 15. Which one is greater? So you have to make denominators equal. You have to make denominators equal. So what is LCM of 3 and 5 and 15? Yes, LCM of 5 and 15. What is LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. So you make denominator of 3 upon 5 is 15. So 3 upon 5, we want denominator 15. So multiply by 3, 3 3s are upon 5 3s are. So that will be 9 upon 15. So 3 upon 5 is 9 upon 15. Okay. Then you have two numbers, 9 upon 15. Okay, 9 upon 15. And other number is 11 upon 15. Now denominator is same. 15, 15. So you can compare numerator 9 and 11. 11 is greater. So 9 upon 15 will be less than 11 upon 15. 9 upon 15 is 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 is less than 11 upon 15. So 11 upon 15 fraction is greater. So whenever you want to compare two fractions, you make denominator of both the fractions equal. After making denominators equal, you can compare numerator. Now second it is 4 by 5 and 3 by 10. 4 by 5 and 3 by 10. 3 upon 10. Let me give this homework. Okay. 4 by 5 and 3 upon 10. Let me give this homework. 4 by 5 and 3 upon 10. Homework. The next is 6 by 7 and 5 by 9. 6 by 7 and 5 by 9. You have to take LCM of the denominator. You have to take LCM of the denominator and make denominators equal. When denominators are equal, compare numerator. Now we will do seventh one. Insert one fraction between. Insert one fraction. Insert one fraction between. Insert one fraction between. Insert one fraction between. First it is 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. So what you will do, see, this is 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. To insert one fraction, I will add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So what that will be? Tell me. What that will be? Add numerator to numerator. That will be 3 plus 4 upon 7 plus 9. Okay, so what is that? 3 by 7, comma 7 by 16, comma 4 by 9. So 7 by 16 I have inserted. So how you will insert? Yes. To insert one fraction. To insert one fraction between two fractions, I will add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 3 plus 4 upon 7 plus 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 upon 16. So to insert one fraction, we add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That's all. हाँ, 7 upon 16 is the answer. So to insert one fraction, you will add numerator of both the fraction, you will add denominator of both the fraction. That's all. This is the technique. To insert one fraction, I will add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. This is only when you want to insert fractions. Only when you want to insert fractions. Now next is 2 and 8 by 3. 2 and 8 by 3. 2 and 8 by 3. Insert one fraction. What you can write 2 in the rational number fraction form? Yes, tell me. 2 upon 1. Yes. So this is 2 upon 1 and this is 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So add numerator to numerator. 2 plus 8 upon 1 plus 3. So that is 2 by 1, 2, comma 10 by 4, comma 8 by 3. So 10 upon 4 is the inserted fraction. 10 upon 4 is the inserted fraction between them. Then third one, 9 by 17 and 16 by 3. 9 by 17 and 16 by 3. 16 by 3. So this I am giving homework. Okay. You can tell me the oral answer. What? Huh? 6 by 13. Sorry. It is 6. Present. Yes, present. 6 by 13. 6 by 13. So what is the answer? Tell me orally. What is the answer? 15 upon 30. But what is that? But see, yes, but my dear, you have to write down this. See, this is 10 upon 4. 10 upon 4, you have to write down this in the lowest term. My dear, you have to write down this in the lowest term. So this is 10 upon 40, 10 upon 4, no? 10 upon 4. So this is 2. What you can write 10? Tell me, 5 2s are 10. 4 I can write 2 2s are 4. 8 by 3. Then 2 get cancelled. So that is 2, comma 5 by 2. 10 by 4 you will write down 5 by 2. Okay. So 5 by 2 is the inserted. You have to write down that to the lowest term. 1 upon 2. Yes, correct. Yes, 15 upon 30 is same as 1 by 2. Okay, so you have to write down the answer, final answer in terms of the lowest term. So whenever you want to insert one fraction, you add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Then 8th one, insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions between 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 4 by 9. First 2 by 5 and 4 by 9. 2 by 5, 4 by 9. Okay. 2 by 5, 4 by 9. So this is 2 by 5 and this is 4 by 9. So how you will insert first fraction? Add numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So what is that? 2 plus 4 upon 5 plus 9. So that is 2 by 5, comma 6 by 14, comma 4 by 9. But 6 by 14 you can cancel, common factor. So 2 by 5, comma 6, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. 2 get cancelled. So first fraction is 2 by 5, then 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. This is my first fraction. So 3 by 7 is first fraction inserted. This is my first. Okay. Now we want to insert 2 more. We want to insert 2 more. Yes. Now see here. For getting 2 more, what I will do? First I will simplify these two, then I will simplify these two for third. First I will simplify these two. So what is that? 2 by 5, 2 by 5, comma 3 by 7, comma 4 by 9. First I will simplify these two, add these two. So that is 2 plus 3 upon 5 plus 7. So that is 2 by 5, comma 5 by 12, comma 3 by 7, comma 4 by 9. Yes. So this is my second. 5 by 12 is second. Now for third what I will do? For third what I will do? I will simplify these two. For third I will simplify these two. Yes. So 2 by 5, 5 by 12, then these two, 3 by 7, then between them, that will be 4 by 9. Now 3 plus 4 upon 7 plus 9. So that is 2 by 5, 5 by 12, 3 by 7, then 7 by 16 and 4 by 9. Okay. So these are the three inserted fractions: 5 by 12, 3 by 7, 7 by 16. 3 by 7 is first, 5 by 12 is second, and 7 by 16 is third. So these three are inserted fraction between them. To get first fraction, first you will consider these two. To get second fraction, you will consider these two. Then to get third fraction, you will consider these two. Yes, understood? Yes, this concept. Okay. One by two. Insert three fractions between 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. Yes? No, we do not do this by, we do not, whenever it comes insert, we do not take LCM, my dear. LCM we take in case of greater or subtraction. But whenever it is insert, we add numerator, denominator, that's all. Then second is 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. 1 by 2 and 5 by 7. This I am giving homework. Okay. Let us do 3 by 8, third one. 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 6 by 11. 3 by 8 and 6 by 11. Yes, recording is started. 3 by 8 and 6 by 11. 3 by 8 and 6 by 11. Let us do this. Chalo, all of you start solving. I am also solving parallel. 3 by 8 and 6 by 11. So what is that? 3 by 8, then 6 by 11. Between them we insert 3 plus 6 upon 8 plus 11. So 3 by 8, comma 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 by 19, 6 by 11. This is my first fraction. This is my first inserted fraction. Now to get second, I will simplify these two. For second, I will simplify these two. For second inserted fraction, we simplify first two. We simplify first two. Yes. We simplify first two. So that will be 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Then 9 by 11. 9 by 19. 9 by 19. 6 by 11. Okay. So let us add. That will be 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 upon 8 plus 19. So that will become 3 by 8. Then 12 by 27, comma 9 by 19, 6 by 11. But 12 by 27 is not in the lowest. So write down that in the lowest. 3 by 8, 12 you can write 4 3s are 12, 27 9 3s are 27, 9 by 19, 6 by 11. Then 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled, my dear. So that is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Then 4 by 9. Then 9 upon 19. And 6 by 11. Now to get third fraction, I will simplify these two. So that is 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 9 by 19, then between these two 9 plus 6 upon 19 plus 11, comma 6 by 11. So that becomes 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 9 upon 19, then this will be 15 upon 30 and 6 by 11. Yes, 6 by 11. 6 by, but you have to write down that in the lowest term. You have to write down that to the lowest term. So 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 9 by 19, then 15 I can write 15 ones are 15, 30, 15 twos are 30, then 6 by 11. 15 get cancelled. So 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 9 by 19, 1 by 2 and 6 by 11. What is my first inserted fraction? 9 upon 19. Second 4 by 9. And third is 1 by 2. Okay. Yes. Yes. That order, correct order you have to write down. Okay. Then ninth one. Insert two fractions between. Insert two fractions between. Yes. It helps in between two fractions. See what this concept teaches us. 3 by 8 and 6 by 11, they are two fractions. If I will ask you the question, between two fractions, there are how many fractions? What is your answer? Yes, what is your answer? Between two fractions, there are how many fractions? Infinite, my dear, infinite. Yes or no? Between two fractions, you can insert one fraction, two fraction, three fraction, four fraction, five fraction, six fraction, infinite. Is it clear? So this concept teaches us between two fractions there are infinitely many fractions. Is it clear? Yes? Whoever asked the doubt, is it clear? So this concept teaches us that between two fractions there are infinitely many fractions. Any number of fractions can be inserted. Now insert two fractions between. First 1 and 3 by 11. 1 and 3 by 11. What you will write 1, my dear? 1 you will write 1 upon 1. And how you will insert the first fraction? 1 plus 3 upon 1 plus 11. So that is 1 upon 1 comma 4 by 12. Instead of 3 fractions, now you have to insert 2 fractions. Yes. So what is that? 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 comma 4 by 12. Then 3 by 11. 1 comma 4 by 12. 3 by 11, but 4 upon 12 you have to write down. 1 comma 4, I can write 4 into 1. 4 3s are 12. 3 upon 11. 4 get cancelled. So that is 1 comma 1 by 3 comma 3 by 11. So 1 by 3 is the first fraction. Now you have to insert one more. So I will consider these two. I will consider these two or these two, any one. Either you consider these two or these two, any one. Okay. So let us write 1. I will write 1 upon 1. Then this will be 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 3, comma 1 by 3, comma 3 by 11. So 1, comma 2 by 4, comma 1 by 3, comma 3 by 11. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 by 2. So 1 comma 1 by 2, 1 comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 3, comma 3 by 11. So there are two fractions. This is my first fraction and this is my second fraction. So only two fractions you wanted. Stop there. So this concept teaches us that between two fractions there are infinitely many fractions. Between two fractions you can insert how many fractions? Infinitely many fractions. Was it? Yes. Suppose I will ask you, between 1 and 3 by 11 there are how many fractions? What will be your answer? Between 1 and 3 by 11, between 1 and 3 by 11 there are how many fractions? Infinite. Any number of fraction you can insert. Okay. So between two fractions we can insert infinitely many fractions. Between two fractions you can insert infinitely many. 1 minute. Between now you tell me the answer. Between two natural number there are, my dear, wait, no, mute the microphone, yes. Now between two natural number, mute the microphone, yes. You are not allowing me to speak. Then I have to remove, my dear. Now see here. Between two natural number there are how many natural number? Tell me. Between two natural number there are how many natural number? No natural number. Between two natural number, no, my dear, between two natural number 2 and 3, how many natural number are there? No natural number. No natural number. Between two integer, let me remove them. It is yes, mute the microphone, my dear. Chalo. Which question now? Second one. My dear, I am audible, no? Yes, I have removed. Okay. I have to remove, my dear. Some action I have to take. You cannot take it as granted. Now your voice is clear? Okay. So now my question is, you have seen the natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between two natural number there are how many natural number? No, there is no natural number. Okay. Then we have seen integer. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Between two integer there are how many integer? No integer. Okay. But when you will take the fraction between two fraction, one fraction and other fraction. There are how many fractions? Infinite. Okay. Then next question. Between two rational number, one rational number and other rational number, there are how many rational numbers? Infinite. Because your rational number is same as fraction, no? Your rational number is same as fraction. Your rational number are same as fraction. What are rational numbers? Numerator upon denominator. So between two fractions, there are infinitely many fractions. Between two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. But between two natural numbers, there is no natural number. Between two integers, there is no integer. Between two whole numbers, there is no whole number. But between two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. Mute the microphone, my dear. Mute the microphone. Now which question? Second. 5 by 9 and 1 by 4. Insert two rational numbers. Insert two fractions. So this let me give homework. Now third one, ninth one, 5 by 6 and 1 is to 1 by 5. 5 by 6 and 1 is to 1 by 5. So what you can write this? Tell me. 5 by 6, what you can write? 1 is to 1 by 5. 5 1 is 5, 6 by 5. Yes. Now insert two numbers between them. Insert two numbers between them. Screen is clear, my dear. So insert two. My dear, how I can add her? We are giving repeated instruction to her that mute the microphone. So let me have a talk with her parent after this period. Then next period I will be there. Okay. So 5 by 6. Because what is the guarantee that this time disturbance will not be there? We are not sure. So 5 plus 6 upon 6 plus 5. Then 6 by 5. Yes. So 5 by 6, 11 upon 11, 6 by 5. Okay. So this I can write 11 get cancelled. What is that answer? 1. So 5 by 6, 1. 5 by 6, 1, 6 by 5. So this is my first fraction. 1 is the first fraction. Now how you will get second fraction? I will simplify these two. How you will get the second fraction? See, we can, at least 5 to 6 times we had given the instruction that mute the microphone. We are not able to deliver the lecture. We are not able to explain. You have to take care. Then 5 by 6, what you will write? 1 upon 1, 6 by 5. Now you consider these two. So that is 5 by 6, yes, what you will do? 5 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1, 6 by 5. So 5 by 6, 6 upon 7, one more, 1 will come, yes. 1 will also come, no, 1, 6 by 5. 6 by 7, 1, 6 by 5. So these two are inserted fraction. 1, this is my first, then 6 by 7 is my second. So these two fractions. Okay, these two fractions are there. Now, chalo, surprise test. First question, find the greater fraction. Array, my dear, screen is clear. Find the greater fraction. Screen is clear. Find the greater fraction. Find the greater fraction. Find the greater fraction. 5 by 7. 5 by 7, comma 5 by 7, comma 5 by 7, comma 20 by 21. Find the greater fraction. Find the greater fraction. I will have a talk with parent, then I will admit next time. Okay. 5 by 7 and 20 by 21. Do it. 5 by 7 and 20 by 21. 5 by 7 and 20 by 21. 5 by 7 and 20 by 21. Then insert, second question, insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions. Insert 3 fractions between. Insert 3 fractions between 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. 3 fractions. Then third is insert 2 fractions. Insert 2 fractions. Insert 2 fractions between. Start solving. Insert 2 fractions between 5 by 7 and 9 by 14. 9 by 14 and 5 by 7. Chalo, start solving this. Board is clear, my dear. Board is very much clear. Okay, nothing can